Today we are going to study about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison is very important part in our English grammar. Serve degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. First, the positive degree. Second, the comparative degree. And third one is the superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. Means when we use positive degree in English or in any sentence, that time it is used to refer one object, person or place without making any comparison. For example, my school is big. So in positive degree we say that adjective is used in its base form. Second, the comparative degree. The comparative degree refers to greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. For example, my school is bigger than any other school. In this sentence, by using adjective big in its comparative form bigger, and for comparison we used than any other. Third, the superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. Means superlative degree is the greatest degree of comparison. It is used at higher level. For example, we see that my school is the biggest school in the city. Here is also use adjective big in its superlative form as biggest. Forms of adjective we say that. In positive degree, in comparative degree, or in superlative form we say. For example, we use the adjective dull. In comparative it become duller. In superlative it become dullest. Bold, it become bolder, and in superlative it become boldest. We adding er and est in comparative and superlative degree. Er and est. Next, fine. Fine become finer and finest. Then large. Large become larger in comparative and largest in superlative. Then easy. Easy become easier and easiest. Happy become happier and happiest. Here we see that the adjective that ends with y, what we do here? We use IER instead of y in comparative degree and IEST instead of y in superlative degree. Then there are some double syllable words such as useful. We used more before that adjective and we make a comparative form more useful, and we use most before that word and make a superlative form of that adjective most useful. Then we also see that word beautiful, it become more beautiful in comparative degree and most beautiful in superlative degree. Irregular adjective such as bad become worse in comparative and worst in superlative. Well or good become better in comparative and best in superlative. The first type, the comparison of one to another one. Comparison of one to another one. Yeah, this type of sentences is solved it only positive and comparative degree. We don't solve the sentences in superlative degree. Look here, first example. Sunflower is not as beautiful as a rose. Here in this sentence what we see? There is a comparison between two flowers. First is sunflower and second is rose. Means here we know that first we want to identify the degrees of comparison of given sentence. How we identify it? When we want to identify the degree of comparison, that time we see the forms of adjective is used in the sentence. So here adjective beautiful is used and it is in its base form. So here we see that the given sentence is of positive degree. And the comparison between only two objects, or we say one to another one object, that time we convert it only in comparative degree. And when we change the given sentence into comparative degree, next sentence means a rose is the subject of the sentence. Then auxiliary is, if there is a not, in given sentence, we don't use not in our answer. So here we don't use not in our answer, then we use beautiful in its comparative form, means more beautiful. Then we used a than for comparison, and the first first object or first part of the sentence sunflower is put at the last. So our sentence is like that: rose is more beautiful than sunflower. Here we say that this part shows that the given sentence is in comparative degree. Cricket is more interesting than football. Here we see that the two games, cricket and football, is compared by using adjective interesting. Cricket and football, these are the two games, and it is compared by using adjective interesting in its comparative form, more interesting, and here also used than. We want to identify the degree of the sentence, and when we read the sentence, that time we see that there is used more interesting, and more interesting is a word that is used in comparative degree. So it is the sentence of comparative degree. And also we see that it is comparison of one to another one object, so it is only converted into positive. So we convert it into positive degree. So it changes its place. Cricket change its place, and football is also change its place. Now last word football become the first of the answer. Our answer, football is. Here we see that football is not as interesting as cricket. Comparison of one to another all. Comparison of one to another all. The Jupiter is the biggest planet of all. So first we identify the degree of the given sentence. So here we say that the adjective big is used in its superlative form, biggest. Biggest become the superlative form of big, and so the sentence is in superlative form. Jupiter. Then auxiliary is, then we use the adjective big in its comparative form, means big become bigger. The Jupiter is bigger. Then we use here than any other. It is used to compare Jupiter to other planets, and last part is planet. The sentence become in comparative degree, the Jupiter is bigger than any other planets. You look here, the word or the adjective big become bigger, then we use than any other for comparison. Then we convert it into positive. We begin this sentence with no other. So last word is planet, no other planet. Then we use modal auxiliary is, then we use big in its positive form, as big as, and then we use the first noun, the Jupiter. So the sentence of positive degree is like that: no other planet is as big as the Jupiter. So here the new part, no other, and the adjective put between as and as. So the sentence is like that: no other planet is as big as the Jupiter. We remove of all, when we convert it into positive or comparative degree. Hence, rose is the most beautiful flower. It is also in superlative degree. When we see this word, we see that it is only in superlative degree. We convert it into comparative degree. The rose is more beautiful. We use more instead of most. More beautiful than any other flower. Here we used more beautiful than any other, and it is in comparative degree. And next we convert it into positive degree. We begin it with no other, then last part, flower is put adjective between as, and then use first noun, the rose. The no other flower is as beautiful as the rose. सोडविणे. The last type is comparison of one to another all. It is the construction of, we say that, one of the or very few. Means the word one, if the word one of the that comes in superlative degree, then we solve the sentences is as follows. First, Ashoka was one of the greatest Indian emperors. So first we want to identify the degree of the given sentence, and when we read the sentence, Ashoka was one of the greatest Indian emperor, that time we see the sentence, that time we notice that there is the adjective great is used in its superlative form, greatest. So it is superlative degree. And we also see that there is the word that comes in the sentence one of the. So it is the type of the sentence one of the. And when we solve it, or when we convert it into comparative, it become like that: Ashoka, then we use modal auxiliary was, then we use comparative form of great, it become greater than most other Indian emperors. Here we see that in this sentence we use the comparative form of adjective great, then we use than most other instead of than any other in previous type of degree. And when we convert it into positive, it begins with very few. Very few. Then we use last noun, Indian emperors. Indian emperors. And it become in plural. So we use here plural forms of to be. Means plural form of was, it become were. In this type of degree, or when we begin the sentence with very few, that time we used plural form of to be. It is very important. Then we use adjective between as great as, and the first noun is Ashoka. And the sentence is like that: very few Indian emperors were as great as Ashoka. One of the hottest countries in the world. Here we see that the given sentence is in superlative degree. When we see the word hottest, and the form is one of the, so we convert it into comparative. India is hotter than hotter than most other countries in the world. And when we convert it into positive degree, very few countries in the world are as hot as India. So, the India is one of the hottest countries in the world, converted into comparative like that. India is hotter than most other countries in the world, and when we convert it into positive degree, it begin with very few countries in the world. Then we use plural form of to be. We put adjective between as and as. The sentence like that: very few countries in the world are as hot as India.